Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto. Today we're going to continue on with our beautiful series over here, BEEFY. So if you guys missed the previous episode, we did get a little bit more into this project, obviously into Filecoin and BNB. It went up already like 30 cents, which is crazy. Or 20 cents. I don't know. Watch the ending of the previous episode and you'll see how much we had. But it was less than $50. And yeah, this is moving upwards. So pretty nice. That we are already seeing some movement on this, even though I'm recording this back to back, literally no breaks in between. So right now, just scrolling down into the APY from highest to lowest. ETH USDT, that sounds pretty nice to get into. So I'm going to just click on this. The breakdown is a lot more ETH than USDT. And I like our profile, we invested twice into ETH BNB. But the thing is that the BNB is the majority, not the ETH. So we have like a 6% in ETH. So this is actually a pretty nice project to get into then, to get some more Ethereum exposure on our wallet. So I'm going to just click on the BNB over here, and then we're going to just move this onto $50. And obviously get as close to as I possibly can. I think that would be fine. Goodness, what the heck? Let's have a look at the bottom here. $50.02, I'll take it. So click on deposit and just give me a minute to do all of this, and then I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay, now it's just waiting for the network, and then it will be staked. And boom. Job's done. And now it should be in there. Get back to vaults, and you can see $50.02 right there inside our project, ETH USDT. And our average APY, I think, went up by 1% in total. So that's pretty nice stuff. And the reason being is because we have majority of our money right now inside Bitcoin BNB, which is 42%. So anything that's beating 42% will push the total APY, or the average APY. It will push that number up. That's why. So pretty cool stuff so far. Getting into 2 projects is more than 100 at the moment. But obviously these numbers will change a lot, guys. So I just want to be into like, majority of the ones that actually looks appealing. And like I said before, it's not that great to be in a stable coin right now. Because, it's should be crypto summer for like 2 weeks. Sorry, 2 years. So it's better to not be in stable coins. But for me right now, it comes down to APY more than anything else at the moment. So yeah, that's why I went into this project. I don't know what we're going to do next though. And we have one more project to go into, and then we invested $500, which is correlated with you guys sponsoring games. So obviously you can just go to the link in the description. I don't know where it is. Just give me a second. Okay, so it's over here. So you can see the new channel is the link there. Then the gaming Excel sheets, it's this link right here that will take you to the Excel sheet. If you want to, sponsor games for me to play eventually in the future. So it's over here. This is the link. It's important links at the bottom in the description. And then it's the second one from the top that will take you to that Excel sheet. So yeah, then obviously you can donate $5 and I'll play whatever game you tell me to play. But yeah, so far we're doing pretty good, I think. We are about $3 down. But that's not the end of the day, guys. Like I really don't care about that right now. I just think it is a good time to accumulate. So that's why I'm doing this back to back. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow or the week after or whatever, right? So I want to get in with all the money that I said I will. $500, and I do have enough. So one more episode, and then it's going to be like once a month we're going to continue on with the series. So we'll see. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you beautiful people in the very next video. Love you, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care. Bye bye.